Alrighty, friends, here's what we had. We had 50 total boxes of conversation hearts, and we know that because there were 10 packages, and each of those packages had 5 individual boxes. We also know that there were 18 conversation hearts in each of those boxes. So in order to find out how many total conversation hearts did we have, we needed to multiply 18 50 times. Now, we could have done that with repeated addition, but the opportunity for mistakes is pretty high by doing that. So instead, one way to solve this problem would be using the power of 10 and also expanded form. So rather than dealing with the number 50, what if I broke 50 apart into 5 tens? I could do that. And then I would multiply each of those by 18. Now, first looking at this does not look like an easy problem to solve. However, if we use the power of 10, we know that any number that ends in 0 can be multiplied by that first number and then put the 0 back on. 18 times 1 is 18. But because of the power of 10, I need to put that 0 back on the end of the problem, and I know that my answer is 180. So 10 times 18 is 180, and that happens 5 different times. Now I can use expanded form again. I can break these 180s up into smaller parts. I know that I have 5 hundreds, so I put 500 here. I also know that I have 80 times 5 still remaining to work with, right? I still have all those 80s I have to look at. I can also use the power of 10 here because I'm skilled at my 5 multiplication tables. So I know that 8 times 5 is 40. And if I do 8 times 5 is 40, and then I use the power of 10 by putting that 0 back on, I know that 80 times 5 is 400. So once I take my 400 plus my 500, I know that the answer is equal to 900 total conversation hearts. Now, the real question is, what am I going to do with all these hearts?